Hello friends, today we will be making art out of pine cones and other natural materials. So for this first one, you can go ahead and collect some pine cones that you've got. Then you can go ahead and paint a piece of cardboard with whatever color that you like. Then you can press those pine cones in, like push them in two and make them into sunflowers. And then you can color it in once again into whatever color you might like. And there you have it. What a wonderful set of flowers. Doesn't that look wonderful? Today's art will mainly be centered towards pine cones, so you will need some heavy-duty materials like super glue and hot glue. Now for this next one, you will go ahead and take your raw pine cones and paint them into whatever color you like. In this video, we will be painting them into blue. Look at this wonderful color. And then you can go ahead and take out any branch from your backyard and you can attach those wonderful pine cones onto that branch. Look at how naturally that turned out. Now, for this next one, we're coloring the pine cones into a bright orange, and then you can go ahead and take a sort of rope, hot glue that into a circular canvas, and there you have it. That's the perfect base for your pine cone rustic beautiful bouquet. With that, you can go ahead and add in some hot glue and some leaves from your backyard. There you have it. What a beautiful rustic appearance. Now for this next one, we're going to be starting with a plate of styrofoam. With that piece of styrofoam and thermocol, you can go ahead and add in some branches that look like bamboo leaves. Stick those firmly onto your styrofoam and then you can move on to your pine cone. Paint the pine cone into whatever color you find suitable. In this video, we'll be painting them white and orange, and then voila, you can attach them to whatever backyard branch you have, a few leaves, and there you have it. What a wonderful showpiece. Now let's move on. For this next one, we will be using a canvas as a base, and you can go ahead and make that canvas black in color to make an appearance of the night sky. Then with your colored pine cones, you can go ahead and add them to the canvas, color in your tree branches and your leaves, and there you have it. What a wonderful display. Now, for this next one, it's a little bit of hard work and grunt work because you'll need to allocate many pine cones and many branches, but we will be making a rustic, gorgeous goth wreath. Doesn't that look wonderful? Pile on your pine cones into your bunch of branches and there you have it. What a wonderful wreath that makes. You can go ahead and add in some leaves for some color and pop in some real-life flowers if you like it so, but what a wonderful and easy way to spice up your house. Be sure to tie it all together with some twine to give it that additional rustic look. Doesn't it look wonderful? For this next one, it takes a lot of creativity to think of it, but not a lot of hard work to make it. We're going to be making a rustic three-dimensional flamingo. You can go ahead and take your pine cone, stick it on two branches, twine up some neck and head for it, and there you have it, your beautiful flamingo. You can even go ahead and take a step further than we did in this video. Maybe if you'd like, you can even paint it a vibrant pink. What a wonderful addition to your house. Now, for this last one, you can go ahead and take a base, paint it with some textured paint, paint your pine cone with a similar color, but not the exact same, and go ahead and stick it on top of your textured base. Doesn't that look wonderful? We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching!